Solve. Where appropriate, include approximations to 4 decimal places. Log of x minus 3 plus log of x plus 1 equals the log of 5. Well, since we have logs on both sides, let's simplify the left-hand side into a single logarithm. Since we're adding together 2 logs, remember we can rewrite that as the logarithm of the product. So the log of x minus 3 times x plus 1. And that equals the log of 5. Well, now you'll notice that we have the log of something equals the log of something different, but that means that those two are equal to each other. That is that x minus 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 5. Let's expand out the left-hand side. We would have x squared, and then the middle term is negative 3x plus 1x, so minus 2x. The last term is minus 3 equals 5. Since it's a quadratic, we'll subtract 5 from each side, getting 0 on the right-hand side. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Now factor the left-hand side. It factors into x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. Now use the 0 factor property to say that x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 2 equals 0. Then solve each of those. We get x equals 4 or x equals negative 2. If you were to check these answers, which you should do since this is a logarithmic equation, you'll find that x equals minus 2 does not check. And therefore, the only solution is 4.